Yo, it's good. Back day two. Unfortunate day yesterday. We're looking to bounce back today. I loaded up 25 fresh accounts. Yeah, we're gonna take these accounts slow. We're just gonna worry about getting one payout this month. It's July 2nd. I think one payout is pretty like a pretty conservative goal. I'm gonna be doing low risk, so it might not happen this month, and I'm fine with that. Because if I get one payout on these 25 accounts, uh, it honestly might be our goal. So I'm just gonna try and trade these accounts for like a month and a half, and that should be the challenge, to be honest. So yeah, good luck us. But bias coming into today, um, because we didn't use this 4-hour move to take yesterday's previous day high. I'm really liking shorts today. Uh, the Nasdaq is looking much cleaner so far than the S&P, but we already swept previous day's low and went up and had a liquidity sweep here. We're rejecting this high pretty hard. It's a 4-hour high as well. Um, yeah, the S&T at previous day's high from yesterday still holding, so that's why I'm liking shorts to this low. The big thing here is just making sure that this is looking super clean on the Nasdaq. It's just down, retrace, expansion down, retrace chop, expansion down, a little bit chop here, expansion down, a little bit more chop, expansion down, but then retrace, big expansion, retrace. I'm looking to catch that big expansion to the downside again. That's the plan today. Um, yeah, 15 minutes not looking that great on the S&P. So we're just gonna have to make sure that both indices are moving well, but I'm definitely favoring the Nasdaq today. The very unfortunate thing about yesterday's trade, if I can find it here. Look at this. This is the 5-minute inverse we took on the Nasdaq. Look at what happened on ES. Smashed every TP we could have set. This was previous day high. If we took the 5-minute inverse, we catch 1.4R. We get nowhere close to previous day high yesterday on the Nasdaq. I wasn't even targeting previous day high. I was targeting like, I think this was my target pretty much. But yeah, just on the wrong index. Still just confirms really good trade yesterday. Oh my god, are these equal? Oh yeah, pretty much equal lows. Yeah, this is my target for today, for sure. Inverse these 15-minute gaps right before market open, which good for us. Maybe just look for like a 15-minute retrace. ES getting pretty close. Yeah, it hit the 0.62. Could maybe even see an SMT here. Big rejection wick. Yeah, honestly, this might be my target for the day. It's gonna be plenty if we get a retrace. Could even TP at some of these lows. We are rejecting this 1 hour though. Gotta watch for that. This 1 hour close though, closing below these highs, is the main thing that gives me like confirmation for shorts, I guess that. And then like I said, paired with yesterday's move, how we didn't go sweep this, just makes me think we're gonna want to go lower. Big high time frame SMT. From here to these highs. Respecting this 5 minute gap for now. Didn't hit C or equilibrium yet. ES still pushing higher. We do have an SMT here. Off open. So we will monitor that. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna hold the bearish bias. I'm gonna look for what I would need to flip bias. Because we're still holding this daily gap. Yeah, so I could see both sides. Right now favoring shorts. I guess if we get a close like above here on the 15 minute, I would probably look long. I'm thinking maybe like create some sort of 5 or 15 minute gap in this area. And then our long would probably look something like this. If we get big expansion up, closures, fair value gap, inverse out of it. So that's kind of my conditions for flipping bias today. No form of manipulation really yet for shorts. So I'm not going to take this close or anything. Just going to mark this on ES because I have it marked on NQ. ES kind of chopped here on the 1 minute, where NQ got like a move down. So I'm not reading too much into this SMT as manipulation. I'd kind of like to see something else. Honestly, I'd love to see NQ run these highs. I think that's great manipulation. We'd also hit the 0.62, the 0.5 equilibrium. But I'm not really seeing an entry off of that, just because the 5 minute is looking like this. There's not going to be a fair value gap on the 5 minute. Looks like we might not even get one on the 3 minute. So yeah, just gonna have to be careful if I'm looking for an entry off of a sweep of this, because it's gonna look like chop. Doing some Clash of Clans attacks right now. Okay, we just swept previous day high on ES. ES has been looking more bullish than NQ recently. Not even. We're just taking out more of the high draws. Okay, we manipulated some highs. Would have been nice to take this just because it's pretty wicky. Not interested in any of these entries, just pretty choppy right now, so. Got a 3-star, by the way. Almost a max Town Hall 12 now. Okay, we might need to lock in soon. It's 9:46 now. Rejected equilibrium on NQ. ES closed above these highs. Still wicking previous day high though. I won't lie. This entry's kind of tempting. I'm not gonna take it, but like break a structure, 1 minute BPR inverse, just swept previous day high. There's just like negative confirmation. And I mean, look at the 5 minute, like it's just not clean. So I don't like that inverse. Yeah, see, inverse doesn't work out. Starting to see longs now. I did say I wanted to see these get swept though, so monitor this and this kind of. Oh yeah. Lots of high draws. I love these draws. That's the one thing about longs. Kind of watching this 5-minute inverse for longs. Okay. The long narrative now is like rejection out of this daily gap, even though it's like kind of a mid daily gap. ES looking like it wants to rip uh, up through these high time frame highs. This is kind of the condition I was seeing. Close up here. I'd flip bias. End up playing off this SMT. Honestly, I really like that close, but something like that, like, I don't know. Could even maybe take this 3-minute inverse. Yeah, I'm loving longs now. So news was bullish. We get a retrace SMT off of this Asia high sweep. And now we're displacing back up. So I'm kind of seeing the longs. Yeah. We hold this 1-minute gap. Yeah. I think if we hold this again, displace higher, we get the 5-minute close up here. I'm probably longing. I need to see what risk is going to be like. Two contracts is 640 risk for that stop. What if I just did like one contract here? Where did we close? We don't inverse that. Little bit of a wiki close, definitely wiki on ES. I'm gonna hold off on an entry for now. I like these highs still. I think we can run through this. I'm not seeing like a huge reason we would want a retrace. So I might end up taking this 15-minute close. Something like this. Except it'll probably be like here. Probably go in like 2 cons, 2 micros. Five-minute break of structure though. Five-minute gaps. Yeah, I would like a retrace on ES, just on this move. And then if we get confirmation, probably long NQ. I kind of want stops like there though. 180 is pretty big though. Would probably look something like this. I want to take the 15-minute close, but ES is looking like it wants to retrace. Yeah, if we don't close above this high, I'm definitely not going to long that. If we did close above this high, I would probably consider it heavily. I think we might get a retrace off the 10 a.m. open. SMT'd this internal high. Really, really good 15-minute close. I said I wanted to see a close above this for longs if we're going to take longs. It's exactly what we got. Just looking for an entry now. I'd like to see us go down a little bit more, even though there's not a big reason to on NQ. Just don't really want to lung the top right here. $15-minute close looks like it's playing out. I don't know. Like, I'm cool if I miss this move. It's pretty obvious at this point. I don't like longing the top. I've just been getting cooked on that recently. So, like, I'd rather it leave without me than, like, me long the top and have to sit through the retrace and, like, risk getting stopped out. Like, I'd rather see the retrace and then long. Like I said, though, NQ, there's, like, nothing to retrace to, so I could easily see it just ripping. But ES, like, I really think we should retrace this, so. It's kind of where my thoughts are right now. This was my friend's entry. Took the 5-minute inverse. I think I was still looking shorts at that point. We'll leave that up and ride with him. This 5-minute tap on ES would be so clean for long entry. I'm half tempted to like limit this. It's like a 70-point better entry. NQ is getting the retrace, it looks like, that we wanted. Need some water or something. These streets just don't love you like I do. I'd take this. That's a bold move. Go here. Go through. Just know that these streets just don't love you like I do. Go to. Have the opportunity for this 3-minute inverse now. Okay, I'm in longs. And she was 225.25. Where did I want my stop? Like 102. I think that's good for now. I'm gonna go stop there. I like that TP. I'll probably just TP here for consistency on some of these accounts. 3-minute did an inverse. It's unfortunate. Hopefully the 1 minute plays out though. 1.59R. Right now, I'm low-key tweaking right now. Um, Seeing this go down, I was like, I should have went less cons, bigger stop. Like one of these lows probably, but I don't know. I really think this is protected. And yeah, I don't know. Hopefully we just get this 3-minute inverse and we can rip through these highs on ES. Should be good though. What did I risk again? 730. It's pretty normal for evals, I'd say. It looks kind of cooked though. I can't believe we didn't go take these highs on ES. Still barely in. Bro, if we reject this and make an SMT here, whoo, that'd be fire, boy. That'd be fire, boy. Not looking good, man. And that is GG. See if I could have done two cons or something. We'll just ride this. I'm gonna be done for the day. This just looks like garbage now. I wonder if my condition for longs wasn't good enough. I mean, I don't know, man. I'm gonna feel like an idiot if we dump and I'm like, wow, I should never have flipped bias, but 15-minute gap here. Equal lows. We're gonna hit this gap. Like, this is just such a deep retrace if we wanted a short, I feel like. If I just waited for the 3-minute inverse, could have saved a lot of money, but what did I say? I wanted myself to be here? Oh my. Hmm. I wonder if I should have just been like sketched out by like NQ getting the retrace when I was like, I want ES to get the retrace. Like, we'd never hit that 5-minute gap. I wonder if I should have been looking longs like now. Or even like shorts, bro. Like, I don't know. I'd probably wait for like this 15-minute inverse. Oh, I'm gonna end the video. I don't want to get too long. We're like an hour. I'll probably have more to say about this trade tomorrow. So, GG's.